Hi everybody! Today we are making a snowman craft. To make your snowman, you will need a piece of bubble wrap, a blue sheet of paper, something to trace to make a circle, some orange paper to make the nose of our snowman, and a black piece of paper to make a hat. You can make the hat out of any color. I just have a black piece of paper. A pipe cleaner. It can be any color. I have an orange one. We're gonna need some tape, some glue, white paint, something to spread the white paint with. I have this sponge, scissors, a black pencil crayon, a popsicle stick, a hole punch, and then we have some things to decorate our snowman. Ribbon, pom-poms, and googly eyes. Let's get started with making our snowman. To start, we are going to spread some white paint all over the bubble wrap. Get our white paint out on the plate and spread the white paint all over the bubble wrap. So this way, it's gonna look like our snowman is made up of all these snowflakes. Bubble wrap is a really fun thing that we can use. Instead of throwing it out, you can make all sorts of things with it, like this snowman craft. It's also pretty fun just to play with. Make sure you get all of the little bubbles in the bubble wrap and get a nice amount of white paint on there. There we go. So now we're gonna take our blue sheet of paper and press it on top of the bubble wrap. Give it a little firm press like this, and the bubble wrap is gonna work like a stamp on the blue sheet of paper. Push it all over. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that. So now it looks like a bunch of snowflakes on our blue sheet of paper. I have another blue sheet here that's already dried, so you wanna wait for your white paint to dry before you move on. Now that we have our paint dry, we're gonna take our little cup here that's going to make a perfect circle. We'll use our black pencil crayon to trace around the cup, and we wanna make 3 big circles with our cup. We'll put another one over here. And one more in the middle. So we have just enough room to make 3 big circles. And these 3 big circles are going to be the body of our snowman. Now we're going to take our scissors and cut out our 3 circles. You might want to get a grown-up to help you with this part. It can be a little tricky to cut on the lines, especially with such a big sheet of paper. Go all the way around the circle. There. 1 big snowball. Two big snowballs. 1 more. Almost there. Ta-da! 3 perfect circles. Excellent. So now that we have our 3 circles for our snowman, we're gonna glue them together with our glue stick. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the top of one of our snowballs, just at the top, so I can get our second snowball and push so that they stay together, like that. It's looking more like a snowman already. Then we'll put a little bit of snow on the top, or a little bit of glue on the top of this snowball. and do the same thing. Give a little push. There. Our snowman is all put together. Now we need to decorate our snowman. So if you've seen different snowmen out there, they have eyes, a nose, a smile, 3 big buttons. We're gonna give our snowman all of those things and some more too. So inside this bowl, I have 2 eyes. We'll get 3 buttons. I like these orange pom-poms for buttons. We have some ribbon for a scarf. And I'm gonna cut out his nose and his hat. We'll use my black pencil crayon to make a carrot nose. Just like that, just a little triangle. Our big orange carrot. There we go. And we'll make a hat for our snowman too. So I'm gonna make a black top hat for our snowman. But your snowman could have any kind of hat it likes. Maybe it has a big red fluffy hat with a pom-pom on top. Maybe it has a ball cap on. It's a snowman who wants the summer. This snowman's gonna have a big black top hat. There. Looks like it'll fit him. Great. Okay, let's start decorating our snowman. Let's put a little bit of glue on one of his eyes. And there it goes. Push the eye on. Our snowman today has blue eyes. It's a beautiful blue-eyed snowman. 1 eye, 2 eyes. We'll add his carrot nose. A little bit of glue for his nose. And right in between the eyes. Boop. A little bit of glue for his pom-pom buttons. Put 1, 2, 3. All right, he's looking good. Now we're gonna fit him for his scarf. The scarf will go right across his neck. I think right about there. And I'm gonna make some little snips in the scarf so it looks like a really fancy snowman scarf. Cutting out a little triangle at the end. It's stuck. There we go. And his scarf will go right there. Oh, he looks great. We'll put a little bit of glue on the back of the ribbon to make our snowman's scarf. Excellent. Oh, we can't forget his hat. So I'll put a little bit of glue on the top of our snowman's head. And that's gonna be his hat. There he is. He looks great. He's got 2 eyes, a nose, 3 buttons, but our snowman is missing his big smile. So we'll use our black pencil crayon to give our snowman a nice big smile. There it is. All right, he looks great. But our snowman isn't done yet. We can use our hole punch, and on either side of the middle snowball, we're gonna punch a hole in our snowman. 1, 2, just like that. And that's gonna be where we'll put our pipe cleaner through. We'll turn our snowman over and stick one end of the pipe cleaner through one hole and one end through the other. And this is gonna be our snowman's arms. You can take the end of your pipe cleaner, make a little loop, and twist it around to make little mittens on our snowman, like that. Looks great. All right. Now, so we can play with our snowman, we'll flip him over again, and we're gonna add a popsicle stick onto our snowman so that we can hold our snowman up and play with him around. So we'll put the popsicle stick around there, and this time we'll use tape. Tape's really nice for securing popsicle sticks on the backs of things. Put a little bit more tape just to keep it in place, like that. Turn it over. There is our snowman. Our snowman looks great. Can you wave, snowman? Wave. I hope you had fun making our snowman craft today. Our snowman certainly had fun. See you next time. Woo!